We don't farm today that same way. We farm a little bit of land the 18th century way. But most of our time is spent making things like the nails and hinges for the restoration crews, or cooking equipment for the various cooking demonstrations, things like that. And those things were normally being purchased from blacksmiths who did nothing but make nails, or nothing but make a very specific type of tool in the 18th century.
Really?
So. That's kind of big. Give that a little thinner later on.
When I work with him, it tends to be.
Say that again?
She said, "Is this what you do every day?" I said, "When I'm working with him."
You know, we have someone working in the blacksmith shop almost every day. But Justin here works at the distillery and grist mill. He works on the farm sometimes.
No, this is water.
You might not be swinging sledges accurately.
He would love us. That's it.
Now, I did just put a really big piece of metal in this fire, so it's going to take a little while to